Finding a complete gaming setup that doesn't demand a king's ransom can feel like searching for a unicorn, but Arch might just have delivered something truly special with their mechanical keyboard and mouse combo. This isn't just another peripheral set. It's designed to be a versatile workhorse for both intense gaming sessions and your daily grind. Right out of the box, the first thing you notice about the keyboard is its ergonomic design. Arch has clearly put thought into the streamlined high and low key position layout, and honestly, it makes a significant difference in comfort during long hours. Whether you're deep into a raid or typing out a lengthy report, your hands feel supported, reducing that familiar fatigue. It's a mechanical keyboard, which immediately tells you it's built for responsiveness and tactile feedback, something every gamer appreciates. The keys feel durable, promising longevity, which is a huge plus for anyone who's tired of replacing their gear every year. But it's not just about gaming. Arch explicitly calls this an office-friendly wired keyboard, and they back that up with features like its sleek design and, impressively, spillage resistance. We've all had those accidental coffee spills, right? Knowing your keyboard has a fighting chance against minor mishaps adds a layer of peace of mind. Setup is as straightforward as it gets. Simply plug the USB cable into your computer, and you're good to go. No drivers to hunt down, no complicated software just to get started. It's truly plug and play, which is fantastic for anyone who wants to jump straight into action. The combo also includes a gaming mouse, and while the details are a bit sparse, the fact that it's bundled with a programmable mechanical keyboard suggests it's designed to complement the gaming experience. Programmable features on the keyboard mean you can customize macros and keybuttons, giving you an edge in your favorite titles or streamlining your workflow. Visually, the G color option, which likely refers to a specific aesthetic or lighting, adds a nice touch, making it a great decoration for any desk setup. It even makes for an excellent gift, something your friends or family would genuinely appreciate. Arch stands behind their products, offering a 24-hour response time for any issues, which is reassuring. Overall, this Arch mechanical keyboard and mouse combo presents itself as a compelling package. It blends gaming-grade performance with office-friendly durability and comfort, all wrapped up in an easy-to-use, programmable setup. If you're looking for a reliable, comfortable, and versatile peripheral combo that won't break the bank, this one definitely deserves a closer look. It's a solid contender for anyone needing a dual-purpose solution.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.